awesome date night dinner recipe? I gotcha. Impress them with the chicken Cordon Bleu. Yeah, look at that. That's how you impress your date. Let me show you how to make it. This delicious date night dinner right here. Ingredients and measurements are in the description. All right, first we're gonna butterfly our chicken. Start at the top part, the fat part, the meaty part, right there. All right, we're just gonna take our knife and we're just gonna gently slice down the middle. Gently, we're not going all the way through, just enough to peel it back, like such. We're gonna slice down, we're gonna slice down, we're gonna slice down. Bam. That's it, that's all. Butterfly chicken breast. It's just that easy. Yeah. All right. Now let's get these other ones cut. But let me show you one more again. Take the fat part. Remember, down the middle. Start at the top. Slice down the middle, just like such. Just enough to pull it back. Yeah. Now slice some more. Pull it back. Slice some more. Pull it back. Slice some more. Slice some more. Make sure you got your sharp knife. That way you don't have to saw at it and make too many cuts like I'm doing. But there it is. Another butterfly chicken breast. Now we gotta season it. We gotta put that flavor on that chicken. Salt, pepper, and garlic. Simple seasoning. Make sure it's well coated. And you know, now it's time to pound the chicken out. But first we gotta cover it. Don't want chicken pieces all over your kitchen. Ugh, nasty. Take your mallet, use the flat part, and we're just gonna beat it. Not too soft, not too hard. And this is what we're looking like. Right here. I say maybe about a ½ inch thick. Not too thin, not too thick. All right. Let's go one more again. Not too thin, not too thick. Yeah. All right, let's take our butter. We're just gonna throw it in the microwave, like 20 seconds, melt that. We don't want it hot. Now we got our butter melted, throw our ham down, our cheese down. Now let's roll this boy up. You know we know how to roll, so let's roll that boy up. Roll it up. Make sure you got a good grip on it. Get your grip on it. You got your grip, get your good grip on it. There we go. Now dip it in butter. Make sure it's coated in butter all the way through. Butter's touching every piece of the chicken, so you can get it in them panko breadcrumbs, baby. There it is. Let me let you see that. All right. As with the butter, make sure it's well coated. That's the assignment. Make sure like that. Once it's coated, it'll stand up. You can start to form it. As you can see, this is the beautiful making of a chicken Cordon Bleu. Yeah, and continue to make sure it's coated. You want it. You don't want no pieces missing. You want it all coated. All coated. So take your time, form it. Pack down some of the breadcrumbs. If the breadcrumbs start to get wet, throw some new breadcrumbs on there to where they'll stick. And continue to form it. As such, yeah. Now take your skewers. I use skewers. I just break them in half. Toothpicks get lost. So I use skewers. And that's how we're gonna hold it. And then we're gonna place them in the oven 30 to 40 minutes at 350. Bam, there it is right there. Let's get them in the oven. Now we're gonna start on our sauce. Take our butter is melted. Take our flour, and let's mix it. Like we're making a roux, like we're starting a roux. There we go. Until you start to see it paste up, just keep mixing it, keep mixing it, keep mixing it, keep mixing it. Now let's add our milk. Let's get it in there. All right, come on now. There we go. Look at him. He making a mess. He making a mess. Come on now. All right, but anyway, we're gonna continue to stir it till it thins out. We want it thin out. We want this sauce to be creamy and velvety. Now let's add our white wine, a little bit at a time. And like I say, thin it out. Continue to thin it out. Just like that. There we go. Add some more wine. Let's go and put it in now. Put it all in now. There we go. All right. Let's keep thinning it out. Keep stirring it. Keep stirring it. Watch how it transforms. Keep stirring it. Let's get the rest of that milk in now. Keep stirring it. Transformation coming up. Keep stirring it. Let's get our chicken broth in there. Give it some more flavor. Yeah. Put some more flavor in there. Keep stirring it. Look at that. Look at that. It's starting to come out. It's starting to come out. Now we gotta add let's turn our fire off first. Now we gotta add our Worcestershire sauce and our Dijon mustard. Yeah. Let's get it in now. Get it in now. All right. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Look how velvety that is. Look how velvety that is. It's just delicious as it looks. Now we're gonna add our Parmesan cheese in there and mix that boy on up too. Bam, they ready. Out the oven, chicken cordon bleu, baby. Yeah, that boy can cook. All right, you know what time it is. First, let's get these skewers out of here. All right, come on, there we go. All right, come on, there we go. Come on now, come on. Oh, there you go. Already. Now, let's cut into this boy. Let's see what goodness we got on the inside. Let's see what goodness we got on the inside. Look at that. Yeah, that boy can cook. I'm gone.